Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says some sites do not allow requesting the same file twice when you're downloading something from IDM and it says this. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is you have to refresh your page of which you're downloading, and then what you have to do is before clicking on download you have to press delete key and keep on holding on to that. Just keep holding delete key and then press download button from your mouse. Once you do that, the file would be downloaded through Google Chrome or any web browser you're using, but not IDM. So this is how you can download the same file twice. And yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.